Hello and welcome to your guide on importing your customer data into Gazelle. Now, importing your data doesn't need to be difficult. You can start your free data import in minutes. And because our team takes the time to do it right, this will likely be the only data import you need. So, step one, upload your data from any program, including calendar records, customer records, and piano service history. Step two, answer any questions from our team. And step three, customize your account while you're waiting. Let's start with step one, uploading your data. To upload your data files, go to growwithgazelle.com/import. It doesn't matter what program or operating system you're coming from. Our team works with you to ensure your customer records, calendar, and piano service history all get pulled together without duplicates. We can import and merge data from any program, including all the common ones you would expect, and a bunch of not so common ones as well. If you have questions about how to export data out of your current system, go to help.gazelleapp.io and search our Help Center for tips and tricks we've learned along the way. Most data imports take our team less than 2 to 4 hours because we know exactly how to format everything for a smooth transition. But every import is different, which is why a member of our team will be in regular contact with you during your import. Now, most data imports fall into a few common categories, from complex data structures to poorly formatted data, and yes, we even have a process for importing from paper records. Let's cover complex data first. Complex data tends to come from big teams who have large databases using outdated programs with a long history of data administrators who each had their own way of doing things. In other words, there are a lot of moving parts and a lot of people being impacted by this transition. If any of this sounds like your situation, don't worry. We're going to be able to handle this just fine and help your team transition smoothly. Just send us your data and we'll create a specific onboarding plan for your business. Next, let's talk about poor formatting. Long story short, we can save you a ton of time if you have less than ideal formatting in your database. The most common place we see this is in customer notes, and piano service histories. Most people use free-form notes in their business to record lots of different types of data, from piano service histories to piano information, customer notes, and even directions to the customer's house. Now, all of this is going to get imported into Gazelle. But before we do that, we're going to scan these data strings for any missing information that can be useful, like last tune dates, piano makes, piano types, customer phone numbers, and even email addresses. Your worst case scenario is that you have access to your original notes in Gazelle. But your best case scenario is that we're able to extract and format a few extra fields to make your life easier. Let's talk about fragmented data, which comes from businesses using different programs to manage their calendar, customer records, and service history. In these situations, our team will work with you to identify which program has the cleanest data and do everything we can to merge the information from the secondary systems without creating duplicates. Now, many people use relational databases to minimize double entry, and we can process this data as well. Relational databases are commonly referred to as CRMs, which stands for Customer Relationship Managers. Like Gazelle, they're robust systems where your customer files, piano records, service histories, and calendar events are all linked together. And because Gazelle is a CRM specialized for the piano service industry, your data will easily transfer. Lastly, if you're still using any paper records, we have a separate video to show you how easy it can be to get all your data into Gazelle. All right, so at this point, you've uploaded your data for import. So let's move on to step two. Answer any questions from our team. Because every data import is unique, we'll probably have questions along the way that we need clarification on. Our team takes the time to do it the right way to make sure we understand how to best proceed with your data migration. So just keep an eye on your inbox to help keep this process moving forward. So while you're waiting on your data, it's time to move on to step three. Customize your account. Take a night without Netflix. to walk through our Getting Started guide. Now, a lot of people tell us that they expected their data migration and transition to Gazelle to be stressful. But if you follow these steps, it's going to be much easier than you can imagine. The first thing you should do is create your master service list. This will take about 15 minutes and is easy to edit if you ever need to change anything. Next, you'll want to set up your scheduling rules. It only takes about 30 minutes. Once your data import is complete, we recommend spending a little more time testing everything to ensure Gazelle is going to book you the way you want to be booked. And with this out of the way, you're ready to build your automated service reminders. These can be automated emails, text messages, or reminders for you to give the customer a phone call or even an old school postcard. Having a great reminder system is essential for your business. And with Gazelle, you can easily get there and send the right automated message to the right customer at the right time. Lastly, you're going to customize your company settings and upload your logo. By this point, if our team hasn't finished importing your data, we're probably getting close. So grab a cup of coffee, go whatever speed you're comfortable with, and know that we're working with you to ensure your data comes into Gazelle as good or possibly even better than whatever system you were on before. Because bad data costs you time, money, and stress. And Gazelle is here to help you stop this cycle of bad data causing bad results in your business. Using Gazelle to organize your business is going to help you save time and wow your customers so you can play more music and go from someone who struggles to run your business to someone who is organized and manages everything all in one place. Our team is looking forward to helping you import your data and easily get started. And we'll be here to answer any questions you have along the way.